Have you ever wondered about the story behind the beautiful heritage roses in your garden? These roses, also known as antique roses or old garden roses, hold a rich history and timeless beauty. They are renowned for their unique characteristics, including a captivating fragrance that can fill the air and an impressive ability to bloom over extended periods. More than just blossoms, heritage roses are living fragments of history, adding an extra layer of charm and elegance to our gardens. Indeed, these roses are not just flowers. They are a piece of history that adds beauty to our gardens. Did you know that heritage roses come in several diverse types, each with its own charm and history? Let's explore some of them. Gallica roses, often recognized for their vibrant hues and strong fragrance, trace their roots back to ancient Rome. Damask roses, on the other hand, are known for their intoxicating scent and have a history intertwined with perfume production. Alba roses are truly the white beauties of the rose world, adored for their elegance and resilience. Centifolia roses, or hundred-petal roses, captivate with their incredibly full blooms. Lastly, moss roses bring a unique texture to the mix, with their moss-like growth on the flower stems and buds. Each type of heritage rose has its own story to tell, making them a fascinating addition to any garden. Caring for heritage roses can be a rewarding experience, allowing you to connect with the past while nurturing these timeless beauties. The ideal conditions for these roses include full sun, well-drained soil, and regular watering. Be cautious not to overwater, as this can lead to root rot. Common pests such as aphids and black spot fungus can be addressed using organic pest control methods. With the right care, your heritage roses will continue to bloom and fill your garden with their historic charm. Now that you know more about the timeless beauty of heritage roses, why not try growing them in your own garden? Embrace the joy of nurturing these historical beauties and explore their world. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more exciting gardening tips and insights. Keep blooming and happy gardening!